Research methods are systematic techniques and procedures used to collect and analyze data in order to address specific questions or hypotheses. These methods provide the tools to investigate, draw conclusions about a phenomenon or problem. A research method can be defined as the approach that will be used to conduct the study, and this may be through quantitative or qualitative, while a research design is a plan that will be implemented. How would you implement the design that you are thinking in order to achieve the objective of study? In order to answer the research question,
The three major importance of research method: ensure validity and reliability. Proper use of methods ensure that data collected is both accurate and consistent, which leads to valid and reliable result. Using property research methods ensures that the data you collect is accurate and consistent. This means the results you get are trustworthy and can be relied upon. Next, facilitates objective data analysis. Research methods provide a systematic approach to data collection, which helps eliminate biases and ensure objective analysis. So, research methods provide a structured way to collect data, which helps remove biases. This ensures that the analysis of the data is objective and fair. Next, the guides decision making. Will choosing research methods provide actionable insight that help policymakers, educators, and business leaders make informed decisions. When research methods are chosen carefully, will provide valuable insight that can be used to make informed decisions. For example, if a school wants to improve student performance, research can be identify which teaching methods are most effective. This insight help policymakers, educators, and business leaders make decisions that are based on solid evidence rather than guesswork.
So, hello everyone, I am Cyrus. Today, I'll be discussing how to choose the best research methods in the design that align with our research objectives. Selecting the right method is crucial for obtaining valid and reliable results. I'll cover the three techniques that can guide us in this process. First technique, align with research objectives. First, we need to ensure that our methods are closely aligned with our research objectives. This means selecting methods that will effectively answer our research questions. For example, if our goal is to measure how many students pass in exam, quantitative methods such as standardized tests or surveys would be ideal. These methods provide numerical data that can clearly indicate pass rates. By aligning our methods with our objectives, we ensure that the data we collect is relevant and useful. Second technique, consider data types. Next, we should consider the types of data we need. Is our research focused on exploring subjective experiences, or do we need numerical data? Qualitative methods like interviews or focus groups are great for understanding individual perspectives and experiences. On the other hand, if we're looking for measurable data, quantitative methods are more suitable. Sometimes, a mixed methods approach that combines both qualitative and quantitative data can give us a fuller picture, especially when we want to explore a topic deeply while also measuring certain aspects. Third technique, assess feasibility and resources. Finally, we must assess the feasibility of our chosen methods. This includes considering our available time, budget, and participant access. For instance, conducting a long-term study might be insightful, but it can be impractical if we have limited time or funds. We need to choose methods that are realistic given our resources, ensuring that we can complete our research successfully without overextending ourselves. So guys, when choosing research methods, remember to align them with your research objectives. Consider the types of data you need and assess your feasibility and resources. By following these techniques, we can select methods that will lead to meaningful and reliable findings.
Descriptive research design aims to obtain information to systematically describe phenomenon, situation, or population. More specifically, it helps answer the what, when, where, and how question regarding the research problem rather than the why. Descriptive narrate what you see, what tables means, and what is the interpretation of the tables. That is covered by what we call descriptive. Causal comparative. Causal comparative is used to identify the cause and effect relationship between dependent and independent variable. Causal comparative, you are going to investigate if there's an influence in one variable, especially in independent variable, if there's an effect in dependent variable. A correlational reflects the strength and or direction of the relationship between two or more variables. The direction of a correlation can be either positive or negative, or zero, or no relationship. Under experimental research, we have quasi and true experimental. So, when we talk about quasi-experimental, the only factor that you need to remember when it comes to quasi are the respondents. The respondents are assigned. On the other hand, true experimental, based on the definition, true experimental is the most accurate. You know why? Because your participants are randomly selected. They are not modified and they are not assigned.